Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to Florida. I don't know if you saw, I'm gonna put a few of the biking videos I took because I was just out biking, but really it's been rainy all day today, and to be honest, it's still pretty rainy, but not too bad, not too bad at all. If you haven't noticed yet, this is the newest addition to the house here in Florida. It's a pool. It's a very nice pool, if I do say so myself. We got a little raft in there that we just added in. It's got a waterfall over there. It's very nice, very nice. I'm about to go swim in it. Sun's kind of going down, but it's nice right now, but at the same time rainy. That's all due to the hurricane that's hitting Louisiana right now. You know, current events, if you're not up with them, there's a hurricane that hit Louisiana, and since we're right across the Gulf, we're getting hit with a lot of the rain. So it was just overcast, rainy all day today. We didn't really do much. We went shopping, got some groceries, and went biking. So I'll link the biking videos right now.
Have a great night. You
too. Max, I got an ad for this place last night on YouTube. Yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. 4-stroke Merc 500 150. Not too shabby. Cool. Oh, is that that's the Mustang Blood Edition. Oh. I don't even care that the ground's waterlogged right now. This thing's badass. 6-speed manual. Oh yeah. Brembos all around. No badging. It is iconic green. What is this thing MSRP for? 52,000. Not too shabby. Base model Ford Ranger. The EcoBoost 4, I guess. Alright. Looks pretty well equipped for a base model, actually. This is a pretty cool stadium, too. STX. Wish they came with a manual. Even base model, they don't get a manual transmission. Seems kind of weird. Let's see what the XLT has. Just has a screen in it. Doesn't look too different. We got an F-150 over here. A lifted one, I presume. It might be stock. I don't know. I kind of like the blue and black theme. Is it an EcoBoost? If it's an EcoBoost, that ruins it all. V8 or nothing. It's got the V8 in it. I don't see any EcoBoost badging. Alright. It's not too bad. That's pretty sweet. hope you guys enjoyed all that, and yeah, not too much more for today, but next coming days we'll have some vlog-worthy content. So I'll see you guys then, and I'm gonna go take a swim. Oh, also I'm gonna try to show the pool. Hopefully it won't be raining too bad after we eat. We've got some fish cooking right now over there on the new grill. Hopefully it won't be too bad after we eat, because I want to turn on the lights here and show you guys the lights, because they look super nice. Okay, so it's the next day, as you can see. We're about to head out to a place called Oscar Shear. It's a nature preserve, just doing a little bit of hiking today. And tomorrow we're planning to do some kayaking. So a bit of a nature episode for this episode of the vlog, and then we should get some beach time in later on in the further episodes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. We're all loaded into the car here, and if you watched my detailing video I just uploaded from last year, there's some new floor mats in here now because the one was ripped over on the driver's side. But yeah, we're all getting ready to leave. Alright, it's another cloudy day here, still overcast, but hopefully we get past all this soon. And it's saying by tomorrow it's supposed to get sunny again. Normal Florida weather. Sun seems like it's trying to come out, but just not too much. Here we are, Oscar Shear Park. Already looking like a nice scenic nature place. Alright, so we're trying to figure out what trail to do now. There's a few of them. Some of them go by lakes, so that would be the cool one. So is it the Alright, there's Lake Osprey over there, right by the parking lot. We've decided to take Yellow Trail, which goes off right over there. So yeah, we're gonna take that back. It's nice not having the sun out today, kind of less UV. Yeah, we're here. We're gonna get moving. All right, so this trail is claimed to be 2.5 hours. It's all the yellow on that map, and it's pretty much this, just a bunch of nice little palmettos and the little yellow flowers and these little bushes, which look like something we'd see at home, but it's very nice. It's nice that's not sunny once again. All right, we just came across the parking lot. Right here. I think we're trying to get to Big Lake over here. But, oh wait, here, it tells us where we are. This parking lot, so we can get back out and over from here. I wish I had a four-wheeler here so much right now. This would be so fun to go down these trails. There's one heck of a climbing tree.
It's a pin oak.
Oh, looks like we're getting some tree cover now. Very nice. Oh, this is really nice in here.
The snake?
Yep, snake just went in there. Yeah, a lot of tall trees in here. I like this spot. Alright, found a bridge and it got sunny out. So that's nice. Oh, it splits up here. Wow, this is really nice.
That's cool.
So you can see where they burn everything around here. They burn it to keep the terrain down, but you can see the level on the trees. Well guys, we found civilization again. There's a road out there. There were some cars driving on it, but then there's other houses and stuff. So this is probably the curve right here to get back around, and then we curve back down towards the lake. We found a tortoise making its way through all the brush. Oh, it's eating some leaves. Look at that! Look at that thing. I don't think it's a snapper. No, it's not. It doesn't have a long tail. What's up, tortoise? How's it going? Just a coyote right there. He jumped up and left. It was a little pup. He was very cute. Kind of sad that I didn't have the camera on. See where he's digging his little hole up here. That's cute. Just hope that the mother's not nearby. There's a little frog right there, yep. There it is. Trying to find it. So we're trying to see if we can get through this mess right now. Oh, apparently we can. Alright, we got around it. The trail keeps going that way. We found a creek over here. Oh, wow.
So pretty. It looks like what?
A little creek.
The Fen Holloway River was this color because...
Oh, that's nice. Another bridge up here. This bridge probably means that we're getting pretty close. Let's see, this should be the same creek that we just crossed by. Brand new bridge. Yeah, it's all dried up. Huh.
There's the lake.
Alright, up there's the lake. So yeah, we are pretty much here now. It's right by the road too. This is the so-called Big Lake. Kinda sucks now seeing that we could have just gone to it from the road, but you know, a walk never killed no one. There's a gator up there. We gotta get to the lookout. Right out there. It's right at us. I'm pretty sure that's a gator right there. But yeah, here's our lookout right here. Yeah, I don't know either right now.
That's a rock.
This is quite a lookout. confirm that is not an alligator.
Flip phone 10.
Look at that. That is not an alligator.
Looks like one to me.
No. The turtle's moving fast. He's moving. Hey, you can't outrun me, bud. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could move that fast. Alright, it's the WW Bridge. Look at this. Kind of sucks. We gotta get through all the way down here just to take this bike trail back.
I know. Well,
We got turtle number 3 over here. We're seeing quite a lot of these things. Oh yes, this is a big boy. That might be a rattlesnake. That might be a rattlesnake. It's got something on its tail. Wow. All right, that was Oscar something. Oscar Meyer Park. But yeah, it was a good hiking spot. We hiked 5 miles. It was fun. But yeah, now we're heading on back. The pool is going to feel great right now. So here we go.
I was just gonna say because the towels are up here on the back of the truck, so just get one of
All right. Oh yeah, this is what I need. Try to go as the sun sets again. It's looking like the clouds are finally trying to go away. It's saying by tomorrow they should be gone. But yeah, I'm gonna swim for a bit now, and hopefully I'll get a chance to show you after the sun goes down. Show you guys all the lights because they're cool. Well, as I said, I wanted to get a clip of the pool with the lights on. It looks purple on here. It's really more of a black light, very deep blue. But this is just pretty. Like over there, the waterfall's still running. Took the float out. We don't leave that in at all. But this is awesome. I was in here night swimming the first night we were here. Oh, it is just awesome. Especially go underneath. Got 4 lights, or just 2. There's not even any lights on that side, just 2. One out here and one there. They light up the whole thing. This is amazing. So, as of now, tomorrow we're going to go out to some little... It's going to be a kayaking thing, but we're running kayaks over at Siesta Key. Near Siesta Key. We're not going to be in the Gulf and everything. But yeah, we're going to be running kayaks in Siesta Key. And yeah, it should be fun. We're going to take a little tour, self-guided tour, but we got to get up early for that. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, so like I said yesterday, we're about to go head out on a kayaking journey. But it's not in the same place I said yesterday. We've decided to go more towards Sarasota instead of Siesta Key now. So like a Lido Key area, sort of in between. And it's a different tour. It's now a guided tour instead of a self-guided tour. The self-guided tour was 4 hours, and this one's going to be 2 hours, so a bit easier on the rest of the family. So, yeah, still going kayaking though, so hope you guys enjoy. Just arrived here. There's the kayaks over there. Just this little parking lot. It is Lido Key that we're on. A lot of the pretty houses again. I always love that. But yeah, I'm going to switch over to the GoPro now since we're probably going to be getting wet and get some footage of the kayak ride. So we're here waiting now. We've got a few more people coming. I'm using the GoPro now, as you can probably tell. But yeah, pretty soon we should be heading on out with the rest of our crew. as the last people are pulling in. We saw our kayaks over there. They're coming through, so I'm not sure if we have to drive over the place or not. Alrighty, we are all set up out here. This is where they told us to meet up after. And yeah, nice little cove. Reminded me of good old Canada. We're in the manatee feeding zone right now. Let's see, guys. He's doing tactical maneuvers under me. It's awesome. Oh, these beautiful houses again. I love it. And now. Bird. Right by the houses over here. It's a nice little boat right there. Gary White with two Yamaha 150s, I think. Oh, there's some ibis on that yard. I turned so hard I knocked my water ball over. Hey. Oh, and the wake is just insane right now. The wake-filled area now, thanks to these boats. Oh, that's a rental back there. A couple of jet skis over there. Making me want to go home and use a tiger shark again. But man, this is getting crazy. Stuff is dry, right? Yeah. So I think we're heading to the mangrove tunnels now. So yeah, let's see where we're going. So this is the mangroves, and someone's already stuck. Oh God. I did, yeah. That's a pelican. Uh-oh, uh-oh! Certainly smells like fish in here. Ah. On in. So I'm not gonna get tangled in any of this. That's my mission. Beautiful place. Wow. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh my god. It's very shallow here. Can't even imagine bringing it through an outboard motor. Impossible. Oh, look, a little heron back there. Yeah, must be some more water that is feeding. Oh, I just got a splash of that in my mouth. The water is still salty. More birds. Very narrow. This is the narrow part. Whoa, really narrow. Another turn, a lot of turns here. Oh, we're out then. That's how you do a drift in a kayak. That was beautiful. I think she said there's another tunnel, so we'll be going there next. But as of now, we are out. And there's some of the big towers as I get hit by the tree. Nice. Second tunnel now. This one, the current's with us, so we just kind of ride it. Oh yeah, it's with us now. So I just gotta we just have to make sure we don't hit the mangroves so we can shove ourselves off of them and stuff like that. I think it's probably better if you go ahead. I'm kind of riding your tail right now. Ooh. It's hard to pick up speed in here though. No spot to paddle. Duck. Hey there, bud. Alright, we are out of the mangroves, or the tunnels now. On a sandbar, taking a good break. There's my kayak. It's a Perception. I think we used Sun Dolphin back in Canada, but Sam has a Perception I've used before. They're good kayaks. I've used them a lot. Yeah, just chilling in the mangroves right now, taking a bit of a break. And getting a good view at the houses over here. We're about to go back in, but look at this thing. This thing is just crazy. Something was making a big noise. I knew it was going to be a big boat, but floating palm trees. Who would know? Alright, so we're heading back now. We just finished up. We got all the kayaks back in, and yep, we're crossing the bridge now. Leaving soon. We'll probably be back here a few more times while we're here. Yeah, it's a kind of place to be. But yeah, we were right in there. All those houses and stuff. It was a nice little spot, nice little tour. It was. I'm glad we went with the guided tour because they got to show us all the best spots, and the mangroves were the best. I have to admit. But yeah, really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed as well. Now we're heading on home. All right, we're back home now. Not much more we're planning on doing today. One thing we do want to do is we might go biking again. We might go out another different route than what we did the second day we were here. But yeah, no matter what, it should be a fun end to the day and fun end to this vlog. Oh, and also, yeah, if you don't know what that sound is, the vacuum's still here, the iRobot thing over there, if it would focus. There we go, yeah, he's still here. Alright guys, so that was today's vlog. If you can't tell, I just got off the bike, and I'm gonna try to get some swimming in before this rain hits, because I'm sweating right now. I'm like super hot. I need to cool down, and the pool's the perfect thing to do that. So I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys all enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. Not sure what we're doing yet, but you guys will all see. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.